y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making something super simple that you can just throw together real quick for a simple supper. And it is a cheesy Swiss Ritz bake, casserole, whatever you want to call it. But it's easy. We're going to throw it together and we're going to have supper ready in no time. Now I'm going to start with my little dish here. I'm just going to give it just a little spritz. I got some little olive oil. You just do however you want to do. My little chicken dish there Russell bought me. And cute as a button. Oh, and my little Flairosol, my little sprayer, y'all. I just love that thing. They sent it to me to give it a little try. All right, we have got some super simple ingredients. We are going to start with 3 cups of diced ham. It can be whatever kind of ham your little heart desires, but we got 3 cups of just diced ham. You can do this with turkey. You can do it with chicken. You can do it with bacon, honey. Do it how you do you. Now, we're going to do a cup of sour cream. 1 cup. I was just telling Russell, I said this could be called a 1, 2, 3 casserole because we're getting a cup of sour cream, 2 cups of cheese, and 3 cups of diced ham. I guess you can just call it whatever you want to call it.
Y'all don't want to know what I came up with.
Yeah, tell them, Russell, what you come up with. Tell them, go ahead.
South Kakalaka Cracker Casserole.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, South Kakalaka Cracker
South.
I can't even say it
He
now.
can't, no. You had it down pat pretty good.
Yeah, South Kakalaka Cracker Casserole.
Cracker casserole.
Yeah.
If you're not from South Carolina, a lot of times that's what we'll say. We're from South Kakalaki.
Yeah.
So that's where the Kakalaki Cracker Casserole comes from. I'm just going to give this a little mix just real quick here. Now, I've got, I'm going to do 2 cups of Swiss cheese. You can do mozzarella cheese. You can do Swiss cheese. You can do whatever you want to do. I have not measured this cheese, so we're just going to stick it in there like so. Or just measure however you want to. We like a lot of cheese, so I'm going to squish it in there pretty good. Now, onion would be great in this too. I didn't chop onion.
She asked me and I was like,
I think it'd be good in it though. A little onion. Can't go wrong with a little onion in nothing, honey. All right.
I was just thinking it was going to take more time, and
He just didn't want to mess up with it taking more time, y'all. Lordy Jesus, what I'm going to do with you?
Hey.
What I'm going to do with you? All right. And it calls for 1/2 cup of milk. I'm just going to use my same little sour cream cup because it's all going to the same place. So 1/2 cup of milk. Now I was really surprised that this recipe didn't have an egg or something in it. Kind of bind it. But it does not. I'm going to give this a little stir. Like so. Now I'm going to put some garlic powder. I'm going to do about a tablespoon of garlic powder. Yummy, yummy. We're going to do some pepper, some black pepper. And I'm going to add some onion powder. How about that, Russell?
Sounds good.
We're going to get a little onion up in there anyway. You can put a little diced onion in here. You can put, you know, the little dried one. Whatever you want to do. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of this onion powder in it too. You can really season it however you want to. Give this a stir. Alright, and it calls for parsley. About a teaspoon of parsley in here. Or whatever. Now, give that a good mix. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more cheese. Don't mind if I do.
No. Can't ever go wrong with that.
Don't mind if I do. Alright, we're just going to pour this into that greased casserole dish, y'all. Really simple. Really, really simple. Oh, and I have my oven set at 350. And this only bakes for about 30 minutes. So, pretty quick. Pretty quick supper, right?
Yeah.
And it would be delicious with some onions in here. I just know it.
I think I'm gonna have her grate them onions, y'all.
Yeah, I think it'll be good. You spoke too late on this one, sir.
No, I spoke
This
too
one's
late,
about,
man.
yeah, this one's about to go in the oven.
She's about done.
She's about done. Just that quick, y'all. Just that quick. Now, y'all know, I've already said it ain't a casserole if you don't have cheese or crackers or something on top. So, crackers it is. All right. Calls for 1.5 sleeves of Ritz crackers. And I just so happen to have one of the little fillers. So we're going to mash these up. And I'm sorry if it's making a bunch of racket. So sorry. But this is a process. Alright, let me get my little, we'll switch this out. Sometimes I feel like I just have all kind of stuff. All kind of stuff on the counter here. Alright. Get it squished in there. In she goes. Lordy. I still got stuff everywhere. And I have melted about 4 tablespoons of butter, so half a stick of butter. This is going to make this. Lord have mercy on my soul. I'm on a struggle bus. It'll be alright. Here we go. There's one. You got to get to do it all over again. I just smashed mine right up in the pack. No need to waste the Ziploc bag or anything. Have to clean another dish with the food processor. Alright. Got these little crackers in here. Crack-a-lackin'.
Yeah.
Alright.
I like my name, y'all.
Crack-a-lackin', yes. Alright, we're going to pour this butter in here. Yummy, yummy. And just give it a little stir. We just want to wet these crackers a little bit. Just like so. Give them a little turn. And these little buttery crackers on top of casserole, I'm telling you what, is just
Yummy.
Delicious. It just adds another layer of flavor. All right, here's where we're going. Right on top. Our little doggy just heard me beat on the counter, and she thinks somebody's at the door, honey.
Yep.
She's
on
doing
it.
her job.
She's on it. She's earning her,
She
earning her
is.
supper.
She's doing it. Doing and doing, that's what she does. Love her heart.
Yep.
All right. All right. 30 minutes into the oven. And supper's going to be ready. Looky, looky. This is what we got. She's a bubbling and sassy as she can be.
Ooh.
Yes, she is. I think we're going to let her sit here and stew for just a minute.
What you mean I ain't ready to taste it?
I don't think so. I don't think your
Come on,
esophagus is ready.
I'm a professional. What do you mean?
Listen, you always talk about how I don't let things cool off and I don't try to burn your esophagus up. So we're going to just let her rest a few minutes. And
We're going to give it a minute, y'all.
we're going to give her a little minute and
Let her calm down.
calm it on down.
Yeah. Cracky-lacky.
She's crack-a-lacking right
She's
now.
crack-a-lacking. See,
She's
that's what I'm telling y'all. That ought to be the name.
She's popping and
South
hopping.
Kakalaki, Crack-a-lacky Casserole.
She's spicy right now. But anyway, we're going to let this cool off for just a minute. And then you can give it a little taste and tell us what you think. Alright, y'all. She's cooled off a little bit and looking pretty nice.
Taking it
now.
easy on me.
She's, yep. Taking it easy.
Yep.
Moment of truth.
Here we go. In for the kill.
Yeah.
Good.
Pretty tasty.
Really good.
My sister actually gave me this recipe, y'all. Lynn. She's always sending me some good stuff. But
It's good. It's buttery.
it's good, yeah.
Crunchy.
Very good.
That's a good casserole.
You can't go wrong
Cheesy.
with little Ritz on top of anything.
No.
I love the little buttery,
Crispy and
crispy,
cheesy.
they're crunchy, they're little.
You can't ever go wrong with
No,
crispy and
you
cheesy.
can't.
There ain't nothing wrong with crispy and cheesy
No.
ever.
And super quick.
Yeah.
Super quick. It didn't take me, y'all, 5 minutes had I not been running my mouth to throw this together and
Just to make sure.
get it in the oven.
Still,
Yeah,
You know, got a lot of ham too.
it
A lot.
does. And this would be great for leftovers from any ham, Easter, whatever, turkey. And like I said, even chicken. I think it would be just delicious with some chicken.
It's good.
Just some real good stuff, ain't it?
Gotta do that.
Thumbs up. Got 2 thumbs up, Lyle. Anyway, yeah. Just to be such simple ingredients.
Yeah.
You know, normally there's a cream of something.
Yeah, some kind
In a
of soup.
casserole,
Yeah.
cream of chicken soup or something
Yeah.
like that. But just that sour cream and a little bit of milk.
Yeah, a little butter
And,
and one of the crackers.
That was
You
it.
would have thought it'd been dry, to be honest.
Yeah.
I was thinking, well, that
No.
don't sound like a whole lot to keep it moist, but then it's real like moist.
And you can
That
use
sour cream, it done
it
its
does.
job.
Yeah. And you can use different cheese too. I did go with Swiss. You can use, whatever kind. If you
Yeah.
like Colby Jack, whatever.
It was good with Swiss.
Yep. It's
Ham
good.
and Swiss goes
It
good
goes
together.
good
It
together.
does. Yeah.
It does. But you just do it any old way you want to do it.
Yeah.
But it is really quick.
Treat yourself.
Treat yourself.
Yeah.
That's what we like. We always say that. Treat yourself.
Yeah.
Treat yourself.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching.
Absolutely. We appreciate it.
We just love all of you.
Absolutely.
And until next time.